Okay, continuing with our JavaScript tutorials. This is the script we were working on last time. Let me show it to you here. When you click this button, it pops up a prompt box, asks you for your name, has a default name in there that you can change. And you can click OK, but if you were to click cancel, it puts no in the spot of that variable. So how can we get around this? Well, we're going to go over if-then statements, if-then-else. If you've done any type of programming, you're familiar with this. So let's get to work. It's going to be quite simple. As you can see here, we got our prompt, which is the variable name is being set to the output of that. And what we need to do is we need to set a if statement that if the variable name equals null, that it basically doesn't change the document as it does with the document right there. So we could do this two different ways. We can say if name equals null, do this, else do this, or we can just say if name does not equal null. So that's a bit shorter of a way. So we're going to say if name, that's our variable that's right above us right here. And we're going to say if it exclamation equals, which means not equals to, that's common in many programming language. So if it's not equal to null, then it will change the document. We do have to put braces like so for the statement. So basically everything inside these braces would happen if name does not equal null. So let's save this. And we'll click on this and we get this. If we click OK, works fine. If we click cancel, you see it doesn't change, doesn't overwrite, so it gives you another chance to go and click that button again. Now we do have another issue. Once again, if we click OK, no problem, it prints the name there. But if I was to click here, leave it blank, and click OK, it says, how are you? And it doesn't give a name. And if we want the user to input a name, we don't want them to leave it blank. What we can do is we can add to this. If we can say if name does not equal null, and, so two and signs, name does not equal, and then we do two quotation marks with nothing inside. So if name does not equal null and it's not blank, then it will change it. So we will save this. And once again, come up here. When we click on Click Me Now, we can click OK, and it prints the name. We can click Cancel, and it just keeps us right here where we are with the button that we can click on again. And if we keep it blank, we can click OK, and it still doesn't go forward with printing out that new message. So that's a quick and simple look at if statements. There's a lot more to them, but once again, as I said in the earlier tutorials, I'm assuming with JavaScript that you've probably, you know HTML, and you've probably done some programming before. If not, obviously the script, I think I explained it well, but I'm not going to go into too much detail on it. Just trying to get you an idea of how it works. So anyway, I hope that you're having a good day. I hope that you check out the links in the description. My website, filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I'll have this HTML and JavaScript code in the link in the description. And I hope that you have a great day.